So my dream was to build an office, was to have my work reflected in the surroundings. And it was very scary to think about doing that, and I was not sure that that was a possibility, but it was. When I first went to the practice that I purchased, I didn't feel that my surroundings were up to par with the way that I practiced. So it worried me because I was concerned that patients wouldn't feel comfortable and they wouldn't continue to come to my practice. Not that they didn't like us as a practice, but they didn't feel comfortable. So in making this decision, I think the hardest thing was financially. Are we going to be able to overcome this big debt that we will be taking on? When we attended ImpactDesign, we realized that some of our fears could be put to rest, that building a new office and having our own space and all of the state-of-the-art equipment was a possibility. We had in mind that we were going to purchase a bank and try to remodel that bank. We brought the layout of the bank with us. They helped to point out different things that you might want and that you might not want in your layout, and helped just to discuss what was important to me in my practice. One of the biggest things that I wanted when we were building our own spaces was to make sure that we had privacy. We wanted to make sure that patients could walk in here and feel like they were in a calming environment. When we looked at the financial portion of it with the consultants at ImpactDesign, we determined that it was going to be pretty similar to build a new practice as compared to buying an old one and remodeling. So we instead decided to go ahead and build a new practice so that we could lay it out just the way that we wanted it and keep it the space that I dreamed of. At first, when I was informed that we could see as much of it as a 30% increase, I didn't believe it. I almost said, prove it. But we have seen a big increase in the number of patients that we're getting from the community. We have almost 40 new patients a month. Our productivity has increased at least 15 to 20%, and that's just in the first 4 months. Our speed of workflow has really increased. We're able to turn over instruments faster. We're able to get patients into rooms faster. We're able to see more patients and treat them better with our new design. So the patient experience has been a complete 180. We have had patients that have been with us for years at our old practice come into the new office and tell us how much more they feel at ease, how they love the new practice, how they feel like all of the equipment with Midmark and all of the design that we've done has been reflected in our work, and it finally is up to par with what we're able to offer them. Midmark has helped us a lot through the process. They're the ones that got us started in considering to build a new office. They helped us decide if our layout and what we wanted was going to work in a space that we were considering. I would strongly encourage another dentist considering a remodel or a new build to attend an ImpactDesign course. What you learn at these courses and the fears that are put to rest is so impactful and so important in designing a new office. Every day when I walk in, I feel proud to be a part of this community and proud of myself for where we are now.